Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden TV display and stands project ideas for modern living space decor or interior home design styling. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating modern TV displays and stands from wood offers a remarkable opportunity to blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, resulting in beautiful focal points that enhance contemporary living spaces. The allure of crafting these pieces lies not only in their practical utility, but also in their ability to reflect personal style while integrating seamlessly into the overall decor of a home. One compelling approach is to design a minimalist TV stand that emphasizes clean lines and geometric shapes, making it a perfect fit for modern interiors. By selecting high-quality hardwoods such as walnut or ash, artisans can create stands that showcase the natural beauty of the wood grain while providing sturdy support for televisions of various sizes. This minimalist design can incorporate open shelving for media devices, decorative items, and even books, allowing for an uncluttered look that aligns with contemporary design principles. This approach not only maximizes functionality, but also creates a sense of openness in the living area, making the space feel larger and more inviting. The simplicity of the design allows the wood's natural characteristics to shine through, making the TV stand a work of art in its own right. In addition to minimalist designs, incorporating storage solutions into the TV stand can greatly enhance its practicality. A well-crafted entertainment console can feature drawers or cabinets that conceal cables, gaming consoles, and other accessories, maintaining a clean and organized appearance. By integrating sliding doors made from wood or glass, artisans can create a stylish way to hide clutter while ensuring easy access to the equipment when needed. This blend of storage and design not only contributes to a tidy living space, but also allows homeowners to personalize their TV displays with decorative elements like books, plants, or artwork, transforming the stand into a multifunctional piece that serves as both a display and a storage solution. The thoughtful arrangement of these elements can create a harmonious balance, making the TV stand not just a functional piece of furniture, but also an integral part of the room's decor. Another innovative idea involves crafting a wall-mounted TV display that eliminates the need for traditional stands altogether. This approach not only saves floor space, but also creates a sleek and modern look that is particularly appealing in smaller living areas. By designing a custom wall unit that incorporates shelving and lighting, artisans can create an eye-catching display that draws attention to the television while providing space for decorative items and media storage. The use of LED strip lighting behind shelves can add a dramatic effect, highlighting the beauty of the wood and creating an inviting atmosphere in the evenings. This type of installation can transform a wall into a stunning focal point, showcasing the television as an integral part of the decor rather than merely a functional object. The combination of natural wood and modern technology can create a striking contrast that enhances the overall aesthetic of the living space. For those looking to make a statement, creating a rustic TV stand can add warmth and character to modern living spaces. By using reclaimed wood or distressed finishes, artisans can design pieces that evoke a sense of history and craftsmanship. A rustic TV stand can feature elements like barn doors or metal accents, blending contemporary and traditional styles in a way that feels both unique and inviting. This design approach allows for a more personalized touch, as each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own story and character, making the stand a conversation starter in the living room. The natural imperfections and variations in color of reclaimed wood can add depth and texture to the piece, ensuring that it stands out in a modern environment. Additionally, incorporating open shelving alongside closed storage can create a balanced look, allowing homeowners to display favorite items while keeping less visually appealing equipment out of sight. This mixture of aesthetics not only serves a functional purpose, but also enriches the visual narrative of the living room. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of creating custom TV stands and displays also allows artisans to engage with their craft on a deeper level, fostering a sense of pride and accomplishment. The journey from concept to finished product requires careful planning, skillful execution, and attention to detail, resulting in pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also embody the artisan's vision and dedication. This connection to the craftsmanship enhances the emotional value of the furniture, making it a cherished part of the home. As these handmade pieces find their place in living rooms, they contribute to a personalized environment that tells a story and reflects the unique character of the household. The emotional resonance of handcrafted items can create a sense of belonging and investment in one's living space, making the act of creating not just a task, but a meaningful journey. In addition to traditional designs, the influence of contemporary trends can play a significant role in shaping modern TV stands. The rise of Scandinavian design, characterized by simplicity, functionality, and minimalism, can inspire artisans to create pieces that embody these principles. A Scandinavian-inspired TV stand may feature light woods, simple lines, and a focus on practicality, making it a perfect fit for those who appreciate a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. This design philosophy encourages the use of natural materials while promoting a sense of harmony and balance within the living space. The integration of open shelving and hidden storage aligns with the principles of functionality and simplicity, ensuring that the stand serves its purpose without overwhelming the decor. Creating a visually appealing backdrop for the television can further enhance the living room's overall design. Artisans can craft wooden feature walls or panels that frame the TV, drawing attention to it while adding depth and texture to the space. By using slatted wood or overlapping panels, these designs can create a dynamic visual effect that elevates the television from a mere appliance to a design element. This thoughtful integration allows for a cohesive look that ties together the various components of the living room, making the television an integral part of the decor rather than an afterthought. The careful consideration of materials, colors, and patterns can transform the living room into a sophisticated environment. Ultimately, crafting modern TV displays and stands from wood provides an exciting avenue for creativity and expression in contemporary living spaces. By exploring various designs, incorporating storage solutions, and integrating technology, artisans can create functional and beautiful pieces that enhance the overall decor. Whether through minimalist designs, rustic charm, or modular flexibility, these wooden creations serve as focal points that tie together the elements of modern living. As individuals embrace the artistry of woodcraft, they not only elevate their living spaces, but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for the beauty and versatility of natural materials, making their homes truly reflective of their personal style and values. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production, these handcrafted pieces stand out as symbols of individuality and craftsmanship, enriching the lives of those who inhabit the spaces they adorn. The journey of creating modern TV displays and stands becomes not just about craftsmanship, but also about forging connections between the artisan, the material, and the home, resulting in spaces that are meaningful, beautiful, and uniquely personal. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden TV display and stands for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.